Athletics is where we begin. World 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson is hinting that she's in the shape of her life 2 days before the start of the World Athletics Championships in Budapest, Hungary. Spencer Darlington is in Budapest and tells us more.
Defending World 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson is sounding an ominous warning to her rivals. The 29-year-old sprinter believes improvement in one aspect of her 100-meter preparation will serve her well in the event during the upcoming championships.
Once I go through each rounds, because I think the rounds are the most important. You can't win a medal if you don't go through the rounds and make the final. So I think once all of us line up in the final, anything is possible. As I said, my start has improved since 2021 tremendously. And I think for me personally, it's just to execute my race on the day and focus on my lane.
Regarding the 200 meters, Jackson is also looking to deliver something special in Budapest.
I believe I've gotten so much faster. As I said, training went after the competing on the circuit for the 4 races. I went back to the drawing board, which those sessions went really great. I got faster. I am way stronger than last year, so I think I'm in pretty good shape. And as I said, it's just to have some fun and execute a good race.
Meanwhile, Jackson, who has a personal best of 21.45 seconds, is trying not to burden herself with public expectation that she could break the 35-year-old world record of 21.34 seconds.
I'm not going to say I don't focus on breaking the world record, but it's not something I dwell on. Like every time I go in a race, I want to do it. Yes, it's at the back of my head. If I execute a good 200, then it's definitely possible. But I'm not going to go in the 200 and when I'm supposed to be in my zone to focus on how to execute my 200 and thinking about a world record. No.
Jackson was speaking with TVJ Sports on Thursday during a press conference for Jamaican athletes sponsored by sports goods manufacturing giants Puma. Her first taste of action at the World Championships will be in the heats of the women's 100 meters at 5:10 a.m. on Sunday, Jamaica time. Reporting from Budapest in Hungary, site of the 19th World Athletics Championships, I'm Spencer Darlington for TVJ Sports.